Hindi. Bumili na naman puro mamahalan ng bagay.
Kaya kung kaya.
Kaya naman niya eh. May kita naman siya eh.
Oo, problema. Walang problema. May kita naman siya eh.
Ayan. Kita niya eh. Ayan. Dinodonate naman. Mahilig sila mag-donate eh. Pag ano na damit eh.
Hindi na.
Diba? May joker ka, no?
Si babae ito?
Oo.
Sayang bunot. Wala rin.
Ay, 2, 4,
Bumunot ka na ba?
3, 6, 9, 10. Di pa pala ako bumunot. Magbababa na ako.
Pau ka!
Bawas ako ng isang baraha.
Bawas ka. Pahits yun.
Kaya nga, ginaya ko lang, flower.
Kung naman ako sa akin, tinapong ko yung ko. Ito, tapos tsaka mo. Kasako yun, no?
Ay,
Wait, yan pala, ito. Sorry. Doon pala yun. Meron kang jack doon, no?
wala.
Si Ber, makakabay jack eh.
Nakiber ang jack. Queen yun eh. Queen king eh.
Pala, queen king pala. 7.
Oh,
Gahasa.
piso-piso.
Gahasa. Gahasa.
Hindi ko na isasapaw doon. Dito, piso-piso yan eh.
Siya pahits pa.
Oo.
Siya pahits.
8. Wala din makakakuha sa akin yan. Ang progress na yan. King pa rin. Oo.
Laban na.
Ang tapon mo huli. 5. Kaya laban din. Lalaban sana ako. Hindi lumabas yung bere. Huwag na.
Lalabang. Buti, di ka lumaban. Mataas pa to. Kinakuha ko lang yung pahits eh. Oh, 10.
11 ako eh. Ayan o. Buo yan eh o.
Uy,
Tungit ako. Ay,
tongit ka.
Hindi.
Hindi, tatapon ko to.
hindi ako tungit. Alas ang matitira.
Ayan o. Ilan yan? 4? Ayan, 6. 150. 450.
Ilan? Tatlo. 175.
Tsaka alas.
Gawa pa lang, ilan yan?
Joker tsaka alas.
Ay,
3.
Piso yan eh, 4.
Magkano ako? 4. Ilan to?
Sa akin, 2.
6
piso?
4, 150.
Hindi, ang bilang nito, piso na. Plus laban, 3, di 4. Plus diferensya.
Anong piso?
Apat yan eh. Eh di, $1 na yan.
150 na to. 2.
Tapos laban.
225. Plus 3.
Oh. 525.
525.
Ako, 2. Oh. Wala, nabunot ko yan eh. Ayan pa yung ano eh. Asan yung jack? Buo.
Mabubulot na.
Mabubulot, tatapos
Jack
ka
na
na.
power?
Heart.
Dalawa nga sa akin, Jack.
Dalawang jack kanya.
Hindi ko nga
Ano tatapon ko na yun? Kasi
Ang jack?
yung diamond ko, ay yung queen.
Ako, wala na. 2-3 na lang yun eh. Tapos wala na akong 4.
Hindi ko na isasapaw eh. May Joker ako. Dalawa yung Jack ko.
Dalawang joker. Dalawang jack mo eh.
Wala, may mga panapon pa ako. Baka sakaling mabunod ko eh. Joke, tong it na ako eh. Pag natapunan ako ng 5, tong it na ako eh.
Yung tres na, sa'yo pa isang tres, no?
Buo yung ano sa akin, 1, 2,
Sa akin gusto. Tsaka mga ikaw rin mananalo. Dahil tatapo ko yung jack eh.
3. Kaya kung di lumabas si Vera, ako lalaban.
Talo ka kung di lumabas si Bear. Malaki pang pinatapon nun eh.
Kaya lumaban, malaki pa yung mga tinapon ko eh. Okay.
Isa pa yun. King yun ah. Ang dami babayaran doon. Tapos kanya pa siya papahits.
Ay, ano ba ako na?
Six. Eight. Pahits yun eh. Hirap pag pahits. Pahits yung katabi mo.
The trend in body care that I see, it's more women from the stories that body care that told me it's a little bit easier for them to, you know, one of them start thinking body care and they can talk their friends into it.
Tapon yung jack yun.
Hi. How are you? Alright. Good. I just had something that I know very great.
Go.
Documents? You lost them?
Wala. 30 yan yun.
O, tatlong king. Isang alas.
Sa
Isang
joker. Sabi ko na.
Tarenta rin yung ako. May joker ako. Kaso, ano eh, nakapare sa 3.
225.
Nakapare sa 3 lang.
Alin?
Pero tatlong tao ko magkakaiba.
Sa akin, matataas.
Yung jack na flower na bunot mo lang,
Yung jack na flower. Oo.
yun ang kailangan ko.
Nabunot ko lang yun.
Mababa na ako. 3
Kailangan
lang.
ko ng
Dos.
10 na diamond. Kailangan ko ng 10 na diamond.
Wala. Nintay ko lang yung ano eh, para gumanda eh. Bumuo yung ano ko. Kaya tinatabi ko 7, 8. Kasi kailangan ko jack. Kakainis nakaparis yung joker ko sa mababa lang. Nagpeteng oh. Yan. Oh. Wala rin. Yan. Ganon.
Sa pawan mo, kung sa pawan mo. Basta ako may baba na.
Yun nga lang.
Ha? Adi, bababa na rin ako.
Bakit hindi ako anong tawag doon?
Nasunog.
Masunog.
Wrestling with no ID or currently citizenship, low income, that's some good indicators for referral secondary. A lot of people body carrying sometimes say, oh, if I don't have ID, they can't know my real name or they can't look me up, but there are other ways to find out their true identity. Do you smoke marijuana? Did you smoke today? Yes. Did you smoke marijuana?
Parehas ito, 1, 2, 3 ah.
Sapaw ka.
Ay, sinapawan. Maburot ko sana yung 4.
Quindi.
Interviews won't indicate that, they're already body carrying, but it does give you a little higher than of suspicion. Run straight up. Don't move, okay? Come on. A lot of times they'll go to Mexico and they'll get a package with the body carry, and I've seen them get paid in smaller amounts of drugs, so their payment is, their own personal use of whatever they're bringing across. Separate fee. It's also because they might want money to be buying more drugs over here, so if they can either make a payment, I'm gonna go to get a package across.
Dito ito ah.
Oo nga, ganyan.
Baka lang ba?
Yung pala kailangan. Queen, tinapon na yung queen. Ako.
Bakit? Ay gusto ko na.
Kadikit pala yun. Kadikit pala yun.
Location under surveillance. I don't know too much about the people in there. There's a couple of cars in the driveway. We'll send the UCN to deliver the box. Once it's inside, we'll just sit back and we'll monitor what transpires at the residence. And then at that point, we can make entry of everything. Any questions?
Dalawa na sana yung queen na yun. Ocho po.
Wala kang nag-doplo.
Alam nga doon.
Ay, hago.
Wala naman sa'yo.
Ha? Yan, talaga.
Dalawa yun.
Ay, putang ina queen na yan.
Pinitik niya. Queen na naman.
Puro ko yan. Queen na naman, oh. Five.
Ay, kasa naburot yung panapaw.
Nakabunod pa yun.
Pahulog ko eh. Oh, sa is.
Naburot yung panapaw. Oh, wala na.
Wala na, sige.
Hindi, nasa pawan ako eh.
Asa pa ka ba?
Ayun lang. Pagkang bata.
Is.
Wala bang katapusan yan? Kumain tayong juice dito, Jimbo, ah.
Amen? Yan na, oh.
Ay, gano'n ba?
Hindi ko na kailangan maghintay.
Oo, baka lumaban yun.
Mm.
Wala pa.
Mm.
Papalabanin mo na kagad, ano?
Wala na
Ay,
pala.
wala na pala. Wala na.
Kaya pala nagsapaw na yun.
Taas pa
Ang
nito.
taas pa ang tapong ko.
Dapat dito ko sinapa yung 8.
Sais. Dito.
Wala.
Alas 5 yan eh.
Alas 5 yan eh.
Tinapon ko na kanina eh.
Nasa akin, nasa akin.
Ayaw sa'yo.
Singgo.
Tres.
Walang kwenta yung ano ko.
Oh, yun, kanya.
Walang
Isang
kwenta yung
alas.
joker ko. oh.
Kahit 2 alas ang king.
Hindi na,
175.
175.
hindi nakapalag yung joker ko eh.
Oh,
Nakakuha na, nakakuha ng joker.
Hindi na pa rin siya, no?
Mm.
175? Dollars. Ah.
yung 8.
Bababa ka nga. Yung
Oh,
king,
matitira sa akin.
papa, ano pa yung...
Yung king ang panapon ko.
Mm.
Eh, sayang yung mamiso eh.
Sabagay.
Ganun din yun eh. Yung, nauna mo kasi tinapon eh. Ah,
Oo.
nauna mo tinapon eh.
They have a female driver that presented an Alabama driver's license. She said she currently resides in Tucson and she comes down weekly to come see her
Ayun.
boyfriend.
Yun pala yung king eh. Oh.
Meron pa isa. Ah, ito oh.
Alang kaya, nadok pala. Alang kaya. Ten?
Opo, Chris naman. May queen pa.
Ay, wala na pala.
Draw ka na.
Magparagis na yan. Ito na yan, oh. Kamali ako. Maitapong ko. Ma?
palusot ka na naman.
Hindi,
Sige.
oh. Ayan, oh. Oh. Buo. Dumikit eh. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Paabot pa kay Jimbo yung pagkukulo mo yan.
Oo.
Mamaba ka na. Oh.
Pwede, bahala ka. Ikaw naman ang lungkod dyan.
Sino ba pa-hits?
Siya. Dapat kinuha mo.
So, just a few minutes ago, they were really eager and excited that the package actually arrived. He did look up the street. Okay, yeah, he has a
Dapat pinuha mo na lang. Bumaba pa.
So that could be an indicator that he's actually going to break into the air conditioner to try to retrieve the product.
Hindi ko na sinaw eh. Si Kejimboy pa magiging huli.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ito, siguradong wala na siyang panapaw.
Saan lang? Wala na.
Wala na, yun yung size eh.
Wala na.
Siya huli. Siya bubunot. Wala na.
Bahala na. Baka joker kasi yun eh. Wala akong joker eh.
Oh, hindi, kuha ko yan.
Tapo ka pa mo.
Oh, hindi,
Ay,
last
ikaw,
bulog ka.
last bulog.
Ang tapo mo.
9.
Ano to? 8.
8.
8 yung huling bulog.
8. O dito ang 8. Tangin lang yan.
11 ako eh, kaya nagpapaba ako eh.
lang ako. Ilan ka?
Ang taas ko pa!
O, di, dos ka na lang.
Hindi, kung di ko nakuha.
Oo. O di, ano to? 8.
17 pa ako. Kasi 2-9 eh. Sayang.
225.
Wala eh, nagpababa ako eh. 11 na lang eh.
Quatro
Kahawak
pa.
ko 8, dalawa sa
4
6 eh.
pa. 4 na ako eh. 225.
Ilang ka kanina?
Ah,
4 ko
4.
ha.
25.
4 ka na lang pala eh. Dapat talaga huwag kang bumulot nun.
Hindi na.
Ay, huwag kang...
Kaya ko.
Hindi na.
Ano?
Hindi, 4 din matitira sa akin.
Oh, 4 din.
Wala
Eh, sa kaso
Kasi
pinaabot ko
7. Sa is 4 rin nga matitira sa akin. Yung 7, nakakuha ko ng 7.
8 ba yung bubunutin?
8 yung bunot, 8
Wala
heart.
rin eh. Kailangan ko 7 spade eh.
Nasa akin.
Speed, nasa akin.
Ay, iniisip ko sa kanya,
Ah, sa kanya.
nasa kanya yung
Tatlo
trial
yung spade
7.
ko eh. 3 sa akin.
Hindi, ang iniisip ko kanina, nung hindi pa nakikita, nasa kanya yung 7.
3 nasa akin.
Mataas pa ako. 17 pa ako eh.
3 nasa akin.
Yung joker ka, pero...
Eh,
ano
ang
eh.
panapong ko maiiwan sa akin, 11, kaya tinaw ko eh.
Sabi ko talo to pag nag-iilan lang barahay.
Size yung nabulot mo, ano? Dapat nagkabalit. Ako ang nakabulot. Mabubulot naman niya yung 8. Wala rin, mataas pa rin sa
Pa rin
akin.
siya.
At tapon niya 1.9.
Mm.
Wala akong joker eh.
Meron ako.
Asan isang joker?
Nasa
Sa
kanya.
akin.
Palipat-lipat nga rin.
That bag is sitting right next to the AC unit. It's looking closer like that may have been the actual tool bag that they brought out to undo the air conditioner.
Yan. Maganda yan.
Kita mo na. Yeah. Sunodo na.
Siyempre,
Na.
aanin ko yan. Aanin ko yung king kung iiwanan ko. Diba?
Bagay.
Ciao mo, Jimboy.
Hindi eh.
Pinagtsatsaw nga kita kasi siya ang hater.
Ah,
Mm.
wala eh. Ay, puta, nasa kanya pala.
Fentanyl kills, we don't know yet. We're just gonna obviously have them tested at a later date to find out exactly what it is.
Madulas ako eh.
Additional amount of methamphetamine. All that coming from Mexico into the United States. This is a test for us because we're taking this stuff off the streets and we feel like we're saving lives with some of this OD on some of this stuff. But we just press on. Is that supervisor in there?
This is her stuff.
Definitely looks like pills. We're gonna test it locally. This afternoon, New York traveler came through the port of entry here at Beacon City, and primary officer, there's some discrepancies around travel. Got sent for secondary inspection. Speaking with the traveler, she couldn't really elaborate on her details in Mexico, how long she was down there for, why she was down there. We identified the traveler, and we located some narcotics inside of her.
Ano?
Simunog. Yun.
Dalawa joker mo na naman.
Wala, isa lang.
May joker yun. Wala akong joker eh. 20.
Wala
Wala
naman
ng joker.
May joker.
Wala. Oh,
Pero buo-buo.
125,
oh, isang king.
150.
350.
Dagdag.
Magdag. Oh, magdag.
Dalawa buo nun. Dalawang 9.
Parang kung nagatan ako,
May
isa
dala
lang.
pa ako 9 eh.
8, 2, 7. Mababambara ako eh. 1, 2, 3. Kaso hindi mga buo.
Nakapulot lang ako isang buo. Kaya nag-draw ako. Yung huling bunot ko.
Ayun.
Kasi ako 20.
Isang buo lang ako panlaban na eh. 7 or 8 eh. Nabunot mo yung 8 flower. Sa'yo na yun.
Sa akin na yun eh. Naitapon yung 9 eh.
Pero may alas ako. Kaya, may joker. Kaya hindi masyadong ano.
We got more drug district. A lot of these travelers don't realize they're getting these drugs inside their body, puts them in harm's way. They could end up in a hospital. They may not make it
Ay,
across.
ito pala. Ako lang.
We're going to seal them off, going to place them into a vault. And in the meantime, we're waiting for the HSI agent to arrive on scene and speak with the traveler. Controlled delivery that we conducted today is over. We're basically wrapping everything up in the house. The evidence has already been moved. Inside this room is a shrine. We got a statue of Jesus Malverde. Jesus Malverde is
Uy!
province of like
Iso. Lalo may sagasa yun ah.
he's considered a patron saint for the narco traffickers. I've learned that Jesus Malverde's popularity has risen in response to poverty.
Dalawang queen ah.
Yeah. Sila mag-agad ang mataas.
They have offerings basically, so they do alcohol, they always have a candle lit, they provide some cash. There's a bag of marijuana sitting on top of this head. There's additional
Nakabunot to.
No?
We don't usually move stuff from these shrines because it's bad luck. So Santa Muerta means Saint Death. It's usually a female in a skeleton form that people pray to. They believe that if they're living a dangerous life and they pray to Saint Muerta, that it's going to be protecting them. Every place we go in that has a shrine like this, they always have something different. Here's the garage. There's a scale here sitting on top of some boxes in this garage. But with the scales, they're obviously used to weigh out the product, so when somebody's coming to buy it, they'll weigh it in front of them,
Decision
know
making.
exactly how much they have. In plain view.
Pwede yan.
They package this stuff up for sale. Looks like it's a shop. They got a cash register. There's quite a bit of money in there.
Tipong laki.
You wanna bring her down in here? I've never seen a storefront like this where actual customers will come into the house, so this was very odd. What everyone needs to remember is that addiction is a big problem and it fuels the drug trade. It's just meeting the demand of the users in this area.
Ito na itapong ko eh.
Kahit anong tama. Kahit ano
Mataas at
yung tama.
mababa eh.
Sa is.
Sa ispa eh. Ay, ganun din eh. Ang bubunit niya, jack. Tatapon ko rin eh.
Tatapon ko.
Tatapon, sapaw.
Ilan ka pa?
Baba na ako.
Oh.
Dos na lang.
4.
4.
Talong alas eh. Pongit.
2. 7,
Saka 3.
75.
Oh, 275. This is mine. Kaya nga.
Nga sa akin isa. Dos na lang matitira sa kanya. Dos na lang siya.
Kasi ang baba nung tapon mo eh. Alam ka namang magdodraw ako ron. 4 ako. Di ba? 3 yung huling tapon niya, di ba?
They had a final weight of 560 kilograms with an estimated street value of $24 million. Yeah, it's a significant seizure. Teamwork, team effort. You know, that's what we're here for, fighting narcotics. So, fighting narcotics is like, hey, did our job. This will be turned over to HSI, and they will continue the investigation to see if they can get any more arrests.
The drugs were destroyed.
Paano ko na yan? Tama na yun. Hindi. Teka lang. Baka kami pa napapa ako doon eh.
Welcome to Luxury Casino, one of Ontario's most trusted online casinos. Now with the highest win rate guarantee.
Whether you like prop flights, Vegas style games, or double slots, you can choose from our exclusive collection of over 1,000 of the very best casino games on the market. Check out our live casino room for live action 24/7, or seek your next big win through our progressives. All our games are backed by our exclusive highest win rate guarantee. Sign up with Luxury Casino now. Licensed in Ontario.
Ang ina mo yan.
From
Lahat ng ko, tsawa.
Aba? Ay. Yan o. Ano ba yan?
Queen. Wala nang queen. Ay, wala. Wala pa.
Meron pa.
Meron pa yung queen of flower. Meron pa yung queen of flower. Divided tayo.
Hindi na. Mali, dapat kinuha ko na lang. Hindi na ako bumunot. Tanga. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4 yun. Mali.
Within hours, though, one of the search party has also vanished. It takes another day to locate both victims. In each case, the simple explanation is accidental drowning. But this is where things get interesting.
Magkamali. Dapat kinuha ko na kasi.
People start blaming the two deaths on the creature that lives in the lake. Previous strange sightings, something that produces novel surface, suggests some of things that happened was no accident. Even more surprising, though, is the proposed identity of the killer. Arapaima are not native to Malaysia. They're predatory fish from South America. Yet, according to this report, one of them could have ended up in the lake after it was released. Some unwanted pet many years ago. The idea of deadly Arapaima is
Diba?
certainly intriguing. I know
Tama na ako?
painful experience.
Dapat na siya.
Hindi, sige.
Panalo na yun.
Ha?
Panalo na yun.
Alas.
Ina niya. Sabi ko,
Apat
diskumpiyado
na lang
ako
pala
rin. Diskumpiyado ako rin eh.
Ang bilang ko, 5 siya eh.
Hindi, up na lang.
4 butas.
4 butas.
Diskumpiyado ako rin eh.
4 butas. 150. Plus laban, 450. Kay Andy, 150.
Dagdag.
Tutungit pa yun. Ang daming nga.
Nasaan na yung ano?
Alin?
Bubulot pa nga sana ako, wala na akong
Wala akong ano eh.
Tungitan pa yun eh. Tutungit ka pa eh.
Ako, ay
to.
shit.
Dahil habang ang dugtungan eh. Dugtungan eh.
Wala yung 5, anong heart?
Nasa akin, dalawa.
Yung natira sa akin na 2-3, hindi naman magkapares ang kulay. Speed na 2 at saka 3 na diamond.
Oo.
Kaya nag-draw na ako. Kaya na, uy, sabi ko. Kaya naparesan yung 2 size ko.
Perhaps I should have listened. The more I tried to catch it, the more I seemed to be cursed. Right to the bitter end, I was left empty-handed.
That could be the net result of my return to India. Capable of growing as long as a man, the tapa is Malaysia's biggest freshwater. Unusually for a catfish, it's known to gulp air. And despite its size, it's surprisingly agile. After Karun's story, I'm wondering if the tapa could be the culprit. Like the Arapaima, the tapa is carnivorous. And it too can
Wala
launch
pwede kayo
itself out of
tahapon.
the water. But which
2-9 na yun ah. Ano ba yung tina?
Arapaima
Ay,
or
tapa.
tapa
8 pala yung tinapon. 8 ba?
Hindi, Jack yata.
Hindi, sinapon yung isang pa. Sinapon.
8 G's.
Gis yata. Gis.
teeth are
Yeah.
capable of actually soaring
Pigilan na.
out of another fish. It's a bit like the teeth on a saw blade. If they shake the head side to side like that, they can actually rip a piece of flesh out. Very aggressive when it comes to protecting their young. They've even been known to go for people.
But despite its attitude, this fish is not one of our suspects.
Although it's called a giant snakehead, these grow to a maximum size of about 40 pounds. Something like
Ano yan, ano?
Wala.
Pinapal na.
There's no way that a snakehead could jump out of the water.
Ayun yung napigdor eh.
Boat.
It's encouraging to have caught something, but I'm no closer to finding the alleged lake monster. Any kind of lead would be welcome. I'm hoping that whoever lives in this floating houseboat might have some information. The owner is a fisherman named Moxan, who tells me he's lived here since the lake was created.
Magkakaubusan ito.
Wouldn't life be great if you didn't have to wait for that bucket list trip? Invest with Fidelity, and reaching your goals may just take less time than you think.
Dry, brittle hair? Need some intensive care. Pantene.
Lumigas si Andy.
Ba't ito rin na lang yun?
Yan.
Sarili sapaw naman siya.
Wala nang ano yan. Yan na yan.
Kaya nga, sarili sapaw na.
Wala na, last ng sapaw yan.
Last na, magtutungit na ako eh.
Ha? Wala.
Tungkol na lang.
Tutungit. Nag-iisipan ko kung itatapon ko.
Himself. He says that even though there's a large bounty on its head, no one has ever cashed in.
Ilan bara mo? Bilang?
5.
5.
Another fish I'm interested in.
2 sapaw.
Have you ever seen or heard stories about them taking fish or
No.
animals from the surface?
Kanina pag gustong itapon tayo, sinapaw naman niya. Ikaw nagsapaw ng kin?
Oo. Jack King 7.
Siya natin siya natin sapaw sa
Kaya nga eh.
Wala, nagsarili pa ako eh. Hindi pwede lumaban eh.
Kanina pag gustong tapon yun eh.
Oh,
Hindi ko maitapon-tapon eh. Ay, sino ba hitter? Ikaw?
ako.
Dapat pala kanina ko pa tinapon yun.
Kanina pa dapat yun.
Dapat kanina ko pa tinapon yun.
Ubusan ng baraha.
Well, we were just talking about tapa.
Nakatigilan.
And Alice just said to me, what you've got to worry about here is something else. At first, I thought we were talking about world, about this. It's not a world when the days are turning.
Wala eh. Baka lumaban ang hitter eh.
To cover an area about
Eh, sayang yan dos.
wider than this boat. And he says you get 7 into an area, and this is coming up from the bottom.
O, Joker yung tatapos. Alala ko Joker. Sasapaw pala alas.
Papa. Wala na ang sapaw ha.
Tapaw mo na eh. Hindi rin naman ako makaka-draw. Sinapawan na ako ng dos.
Walang baraha nun eh.
Is that this lake is even more mysterious than I thought it was.
Pero pwede na ito lumaban.
Sounds warning to put it on edge.
Ay, ano ba ang baraha? 4? Ilas bulog ka pa na ba?
Apat ba? Apat.
On a whole, there's a lot of wood here. This is a bit of a good width.
Wala na kang sapaw ah. Pwede na ito.
Okay lang, sige. Try natin.
Apon! Putay na Nela. Ayun na, pwede na.
May jack pa eh.
Eh, yun ang hinihintay ko kanina pa, Jack.
Wala, kanina pa yan kasi alam ko baka.
Kaya nga,
Sabi ko,
hawak
may,
ko yan.
may G's Queen siya eh, kaya hindi ko may tapon
Hawak
eh.
ko nga yan. Wala ka nang sasapawan eh.
Wala na eh.
Panalo ka, Andy.
Ano ka, hindi ako tinapunan ng bere.
Oy! Alas pa yung huli.
Ang dami pa eh.
Ayun, nasa kanya.
Oh,
Press pa eh.
oh, eh, panalo ka.
Asan yung
Isa pa,
ano?
eh.
G's.
Ayan, dalawa.
Ay, kaya pala.
Apat na ano.
Hindi ko, sabi ko.
Dos.
Hindi ko may release
Nakakuha ko
yung
ng
jack
4.
Dos.
Nakakuha ko ng 4. Kaya ganun.
Dos.
Dos. Nakakuha ko ng 4 na kaya nabuo pa.
Hindi ko may release yung jack eh. Kasi wala yung G's. Wala
Nasa
yung
akin.
Queen.
No, itapon ako ng king. Kailangan, pag
Kuha mo.
naibigay sa akin yung jack,
Kukuhanin mo,
panin
tatapon
ko,
mo yung
pag
G's.
wala na yung joker. Hindi ha.
Tatapon mo yung 10 diamond.
Oo, okay, oo.
Chatsawin ko yun.
Kanina pa wala na akong bawa ang maano eh. Pinababa ko.
King queen pa yan ako, kailangan ko jack.
Kung ako pala yung lumaban na,
Lalaban ako.
nalaban ka na, hindi.
Oh, yun ang mababa.
Nababa na ako eh. Dos na lang at saka alas eh. Dalawang alas eh.
Nalaban ko 30.
Hindi rin ako makadraw, sinasapawan niyo ako eh. Kung hindi niyo ako sinasapawan, kanina pa ako nagdraw eh. Naku, nagtiting naman. Late ka naman. Kanina pa dapat. Yun ang puro ko kanina eh. Putang na ngayon pa dumating.
Ngayon ka pa eh.
Anak ng titing naman na ito. Buo ay hindi pala. Ano pala yung isa? Nangyayari ko buo.
Before I can accuse this fish, I'm going to need proof of intent. Prompted by stories of aggressive tapa in another part of Malaysia, I'm heading to Sarawak on the island of Borneo.
Paningit mo, Jeez.
Ito buo na. Ito
Sampo.
Hindi
Hindi
pa
ah.
rin.
Kulang pa rin.
Kulang pa rin.
In the village of Pandan, I'm told that many parents keep their children out of the water for fear of them being snatched by one of these fish. A few inquiries lead me to a man named Madahi, who still remembers the day someone was attacked right in front of his house.
Ah!
So this was a young boy, 3-4 years old. He was with his mother and father on a platform. Both parents are busy with their daily chores. They don't let kids here bathe on their own. They're always sort of supervised.
Pagda.
Madahi describes bubbles at the surface. This is a key detail for me.
Kala ko, tsaka plaga na eh.
Control their buoyancy by gulping and then releasing air.
Sino hit? Ikaw no?
Ayan, hindi ko tinatantanan eh.
Hindi ah. Ngayon ko lang nagsapaw eh.
Hindi ah. Kanina ko.
Wala ah. Jack pa lang ang hirapan ko. Ako 9-10.
His quick thinking father pulls him to safety.
Yun ang ngayon.
This definitely wasn't
Ay, 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 ay.
Mas buo.
Ay,
This was a fish that they estimated to be 67 pounds in Wales.
yun.
This happened just a couple of hundred yards
Ah,
down the river.
mali, ibang kulay.
Madahi's account adds to other reports from along this river of a fish that attacks ducks.
Pagka dito. Pag ganyan. Oh, kulang bawasan isa. Wala naman sasapawan dyan?
Na,
Takay na, wala na. Walang pork.
Wala.
hala.
Pass per 7.
Panalo ka.
Panalo ka. Kaya dapat yan ang inulang mo sinapaw
Hindi.
mo. Hindi naagaw yung hits.
7.
Naagaw yung hits.
Oh. 150.
King, nasa'yo?
250.
Ha? Wala ah.
250.
Ayan o, dalawang king.
Dalawa rin ako eh.
Eh, may joker naman kayo. Ako, wala akong alas, walang joker eh. Pero walang tao.
250.
Ah. Wala, baka nasa kanya eh. Dos.
250.
Kaya,
Eh, nasa kanya talaga yung king.
hindi yung ano. Kaya hindi ko pinagdala yung 5. Mali.
Kung yung five.
Kung wala ko na sa'yo, di nilagay ko na yun.
Kung yung 5, nabawasan ako. 3 ang naiiwan sa akin.
Tres lang?
Oo, 3 lang. 3 na ham. Pakati. Pakati, ate.
Oo. Mag-init ka lang dyan.
Ba't yung tubig namin nilalang ka?
Anong tubig nyo? Anong tubig yung kanjen?
Yung ito na tubig.
Ba, bus na oh. 30 oh. Bilis ah. Ano na akong 20.
This is a real step up. This is something more serious. There's nothing to
Ah.
what happened. He actually had one testicle. Very serious injury. Though the man survived, it seems that a big town will go for pretty much anything.
Wala makasuka. Ay, may mani pala.
Ayan.
Ano to, longgan?
O, longgan.
Parang hindi sunto na nito.
Konti lang.
Magkano isang pound nun, longgan.
Hindi ko alam kay Bless.
Tapos mo yan, size?
Hmm.
Sarap pumunta kasi.
Kaya nga.
Hindi kahit ano yung tapon ko. Ayun pa ito.
Size din.
Hindi ko kawamit ko.
Dahil sa isa. Sabi ko na kamo. 4.
Walang kasama eh.
8.
Cellphone ko. Uy, tungkit ako dito oh.
Sakto ah. Ang ganda ng baraan mo.
Yung unang bulot ko, Jack.
Buo ka
Yung
agad.
buo na yan.
Tungkit
Kaya
lang.
sa isang tinapon ko.
Ganda rin ng ano ko.
Tungit lang, walang alas, walang joker.
2.
Nos. Kaya ako.
Kaya ako.
Ang ganda no.
Ang ganda ng baraan.
Alam ko maganda barahan ko eh. Pagtapon niya ng jack na diamond eh. Ang haba noon eh. Nasa
Oo.
gitna eh. 9, 10, queen. King. Tapos sapo ko sa iyo 4.
Mm.
Dalawang 4 ako eh.
Teka.
Kape mo?
Lawas, lalagyan ko muna ng tubig bago ako magtatapon. Lamig eh.
He says there are still big fish in the river, but these days, they're few and far between.
Sino-sino ang kasama nila?
Well,
Magkakapatid, saka yung mag-aasawa.
Yung mga asawa nila.
Hmm.
Ba't ikaw hindi ka sinama ni Blaise?
Ayaw ko sumama.
Lamig eh, ano?
Ang lamig eh. Kasakit pa ako ron. Yung kasakit naman ako, taranta.
Hindi ko hilig yung mga ganun na pupuntahan mo lang.
Makikita mo lang, makikita mo lang kung anong itsura.
Noong unang kararating namin, dinala kami ni Lenny sa mga dito sa may Liverpool yata yun.
Hmm.
But it's what's being pulled out of the rivers.
Kung anong ganda kanina, ngayon ang pangit naman.
Baba. Sayang din yun.
I don't have to wait long to find out.
Okay.
And if I'm not mistaken, that is a pint-sized version of my prime suspect. This is a tapper here. Finally, the fish have arrived. I don't want to elbow my way in too impolitely, but I'd like to get a really good look at this fish if I can. Look at this. I'll wait for you guys to see this.
Dalawa joker mo.
sama.
Sino ba? Ito, wala pa akong buo.
Hindi naman ako pwede lumanan ulit. Andy.
Sinuhin.
Wala pala akong joker. Eh, wala akong king, walang alas. Hindi, may buo. 14 na lang ako.
Ilan?
Mataas pa yun.
Ilan ang babayaran?
Wala.
Wala, 3 lang ako.
Piso lang.
Ay, dito isang king. Yung ano, Jack, yung chinaw ko, Jack Queen King.
325.
Kaya,
Kaya nga tinatanong ko, ilang bilang babayaran niyo?
kaya nga, ano, kala ko wala eh.
Wala.
Ito na, may baril na para na.
Meron na.
May barya yan sa isang tama. 75 kagad yun.
Yung dalawang buo.
Ang dalabo. Ako, walang kabuo-buo.
Pero mataas pa ako.
Buti nabigyan mo ako ng queen.
16 ata, 17.
Kahit na nga 25 ka pa eh.
Kasi walang babae ito eh.
Wala din akong buo eh. Buti ka nabigyan mo ako eh.
Paano? Pangit nga.
Buti nabigyan mo ako ng queen, nakapagbaba ako.
Nung tinapon mo yung king na heart,
Hmm.
nabunot ko yung queen na heart. May jack ako.
Doubling back and return to the mainland. Where I've obtained special permission to visit a tribe of hunter-gatherers who live deep in the forests of Tanzania.
Ba? Piso yun ah. 3, 4. 5, 4.
I've discovered
Hindi, tatlo lang yan.
O, di wala kang bayad.
May bayan na baba.
O, papalad mo, nakataob eh. Paano namin masasapawan?
Naparisay na.
Oo ah.
conversation soon turns to the tupper. So it's a very long fish, a bit long. What the length of this table? Before long, my
Sapaw.
businessman arrived.
Maging piso.
So pala eh. Wala ka maging piso ba?
So you were chased, but it didn't eat you.
Ayun, kaya pala.
This is not a log or a tree. So we think about it. It's easy to imagine to this fellow fisherman who are positively eager to share.
Draw na.
Sige.
Draw na nga!
Okay.
Oh. Uy, sayang oh. Pandagdag. Ayun
Ay, oo.
Piso.
Piso.
oh.
25. 50 cents sana.
Piso.
21 eh.
Ikaw.
Ano ba? Wala.
Ha? Wala?
21.
Dalawa joker mo, no? Dalawa joker. Kaya lakas sa loob eh.
Oy,
150 to
250.
50. Sabi ko lang ako eh. Lakas sa loob eh. Dalawa joker eh.
kaya. Oo.
Sabi ko lang ako eh. Dalawa joker bigas eh.
21 eh.
Pababa na yun.
Uno na lang ako.
Baba na yun kasi may baba niyang king. Tapos dalawang
G's.
dalawang G's. Tapos yung joker pa niya. Ilan na lang ngayon? 3, 6,
Ay hindi, 28. Walang G's. 28,
Dalawang
22.
dalawang dos.
Dalawa joker.
Dalawa
Oh,
joker.
di uno na lang.
Sabi ko eh.
Pagkadalawa talaga.
Huling pinta ko, joker eh.
Pag dalawa talaga ang joker mo,
Malakas na loob mo.
taas ang loob eh.
May buo rin ako pero tataas naman.
21 eh.
Matutong ka pa pala kung hindi sa isang bilhin tinapong ko. G's ang tinapong ko.
Wala.
Hindi wala kang tongit?
Wala. 8, wala akong G's.
Dalawang 8.
Dalawang 8, dalawang 2.
Oo. May G's ako eh.
Hindi sana ako magdodraw eh. Pagdodrawin ko si Ivan, baka hindi magdraw si...
Ay, kung makabunot pa ako, dodro ko na yun.
Baka hindi magdraw eh. Kaya draw na. Kaya sinapa ko na lahat yung pati sa'yo kasi alas na lang natin na iwan sa akin. Sapaw ko na nga lang lahat.
Buti pa.
Tigisa kayo ni Ivan eh.
6-foot monitor lizard. How big was the stomach? 67 kilos, so to 150 pounds. By any measure, that's a big fish.
Bago ko na namin yan.
Ano yan? Bakit rest ng clubs yan?
Hindi.
Takin na nga, ginugulo mo ako, Jimboy ah. Bakit hindi ba kulay?
Hindi naman trayo yung tapong ko eh.
Pagkakulay ka ako ah. Iba kulay ah.
It's been a while though since I last used this method. And my technique is a little rusty.
Sa yung jack ko ah.
Layo yan, di aabutin yan.
Oh. 9-10 na lang oh. 8-9-10. Oh. Isang buo.
Welcome to Luxury Casino, one of Ontario's most trusted online casinos. Now with the highest win rate
You can choose from our exclusive collection of over 1,000 of the very best casino games on the market. Check out our live casino room for live action 24/7. Or seek your next big win through our progressives. All our games are backed by our
Muna.
exclusive highest win rate guarantee. Sign with Luxury Casino now. License
Tigilan to ah.
Paano ka eh? Pero kang 7-8 eh.
Ayaw lang sa isang
Your hair frizz is not because it's curly, but because it lacks hydration. Herbal Essences is bursting with pure aloe vera and luxurious camellia to deeply hydrate hair. For bouncy, hydrated curls you can't help but touch. And none of the bad stuff. Herbal Essences.
Take 4. And I'm starting to put my eye in. There's just one small snag. I'm not fishing for twigs.
Hindi.
Taking a break, I let Ruslan try his hand. Oh, here we go. That's a fish. 3. Deliver that massive. Oops. So there we go. Something called the roll. That's going to be good bait. Good size snack for a tapper with a bit of luck. Back in tapper territory, I've now got a good stash of boatfish to work with. And there's one in particular that Ruslan is recommending. Doesn't look very appetizing, but there's a story that I would say that the tapper is just
Si Papa Hits.
Yun.
Nasabaw ko ba yun?
Wala na.
Hindi kasasapaw lang mo sa'yo. Kasasapaw mo lang. May otso kasi yun.
Wala. Wala na nga. Umikot na, nagtapon ka na.
Ay, kung wala na, tinagturo ako. Ito na.
In minutes, something powerful has hit the bait.
sige lang ah. Pasang na yung 9. Ay, kala ko na itatong mo na, kanina pala yun.
Hindi. Ocho.
No, 8.
May 9 ako niyan eh.
Powerful muscular fish. And you can see why they call it snakehead. That head is just like the snake's. I'm pleased with that, very pleased with that. I feel sort of warmed up, ready for a tapper now. Clearly, there are predators on the move. But after a promising curtain raiser, I'm failing to draw the main act out of the shadows.
Hindi ko nahintay. Nabunot ko eh.
It looks like I'm
Taas eh.
in for a long night. Local fishermen like Rosland simply tie their lines to flexible branches and don't come back until dawn.
Hindi mo sasapaw na yan. Hindi ko yun eh.
But that's not my style. If I hook a tapper, I want to bring it in quickly, get a good look at it, then release it.
Buo yan eh. Ba't?
So I'm placing my bait
Hmm.
for the edge of the tapper.
Hindi ko maibigay yun. May joker ako.
Oo.
Space unlocks the phone.
Kaya nga, hindi ko maibigay yung king eh. Kaya magtotoo.
Tongit ako eh. Wala, sinira ko na eh. Jack. Tatapon mo ang Jack ano?
Oo, aanin ko yan.
Wala, sinira ko na eh. Tapos sapaw doon. Tongit.
225.
Ha?
Tong 225.
Kanina pa naman yun. May joker ako tsaka ako.
75.
Kaya.
Kaya.
Oh.
Hindi ko nasisirain yung king doon.
Hindi yan, hindi yan. Pero pag tinapok yung king, satsawin mo.
O wala naman akong pares na iba.
Hmm.
Wala akong pares na iba.
Pero pampabawas yun.
Hindi rin. Dadagdag pa ang number mo doon.
Hindi ah. Yung jack
Magiging 4 ako.
yung king gaja eh. Bababawas.
Tagal nung ano, inintay ko yung Jack. Sabi ko lalabas.
Buo yun. 789 yun eh.
Sabi ko lalabas yung Jack na diamond eh. Nasa bunot yun eh.
789 yun.
Baba na sana. Tongit din. Nasa
Late na.
Late na. Uli na nga.
Tumingin ka
Kaya,
bago ko mabulot.
hindi ko na sinapo yung dos eh. Saka yung isa eh. Kasi nihintay ko lang yung Jack na diamond eh.
Bumili ako naman, nakakalimutan ko naman magluto. Hindi naman sunod. Okay. Tama lang.
The messy, raking bite is as good as a falling coin.
Ano yung pain? Ano yung mga uun?
Oo, yata.
Hindi uun.
Capable of
Hito eh. No?
almost
Wala na yung ulo.
that Maud Rosland's bait will now be too wary to bite again. Which leaves me with no option but to move on. Has the curse of this fish come back to haunt me? This does all look like the beginnings of the monsoon, and the thing is, if the monsoon really hits and the rain starts tipping down, the water starts coming up, I've been told that is it as far as my fishing goes, as far as my chances of a big snapper go. So, it's true to say that time is running out. As I race to find a new fishing spot, the monsoon launches its first big sailboat. The storm eventually blows over, but after such heavy rain, the rivers could swell and become unfishable, possibly in a matter of hours. Setting up on the bank as before would eat precious time, so I decide to moor up and fish from the boat. What I can do now is wait and hope that the fishing
Tama na.
boats will see fit to lift their curse.
Wala.
Wala.
Bang nabunot ko eh. Laban sana ito oh. Oh,
Dalawa, joker mo eh. Lakas ng loob mo eh.
yan oh.
May buo pa
15.
May buo pa eh.
Wala.
150.
150.
Sa'yo.
Oh, 150. Kaya,
Tinanggal ko lang yung 10 at saka 9.
Hindi lang tatakot doon sa kanan.
Sa-
Parang may mga buhaya.
So parang bayawak yun eh.
Yung gumapang pataas. Ang laki ng hito na yan, oh.